plastics like straws, cutleries, and plastic water bottles. These items contribute significantly to environmental waste.
Avoid using plastic carry bags whenever possible. Always try to use reusable alternatives which will minimize the plastic waste which ends up in the landfills and the oceans.
Instead of plastic carry bags, opt for reusable paper bags or durable cloth bags. They are eco-friendly and it reduces plastic waste.
Not all plastics can be recycled, especially certain types of plastic bags and styrofoam. So check before tossing them in the recycling bin.
When cutting plastic, don't remove small loose pieces. These tiny fragments can be harmful to wildlife and difficult to clean up.
When you must cut a plastic bag, make sure to cut it horizontally across without removing the small pieces of plastic that can become litter.
Invest in reusable grocery bags, water bottles, and containers instead of continuously buying plastic replacements.
Swap out plastic cups for reusable ceramic cups. They're better for the environment and more durable for long-term use. Replace single-use plastic cups with ceramic, glass or metal alternatives. It is a simple switch that significantly reduces plastic consumption.
Burning plastic releases harmful chemicals and toxins into the air, contributing to pollution and health hazards.
Never throw plastic items on the ground or in the nature. Even a small piece of plastic can take years to decompose and harm the environment.
Plastic left in the environment can take decades to decompose and can harm wildlife. Always dispose it off properly.
Always throw plastic waste or any other garbage in designated dustbins. This ensures it to be sorted and processed without polluting the environment. A small act from you can create a big impact in saving our planet. So